Hi, Vande Matram, Dr. Reena Pathak here for the Thursday video. Today, as you see, the board is ready with some of the difficult words which we are aware of, but maybe the terminology may be new to us. So the first word there, as you see, the spelling is written here, the pronunciation is here. We write the spelling as Quis, but we pronounce it as quis. So that is something or someone who is difficult to handle because it's too puzzling. So we say quis. Glare is we say the yolk of the egg and the albumen. The egg white is the albumen, but glare is the egg whites when they are used, with puffing and lot of in confectionery. That's called glare. Now, the word noodle is again a word which is very common. We do it every day, maybe twice a day. When we are brushing our teeth, we put that toothpaste, that drop of toothpaste is called noodle. Now, I don't know if you have read it, but any toothpaste brand, the case of the box in which the toothpaste come, if you read, it's written that drop should not be more than a pea size. So that drop is called noodle. Now tittle, this word, it's not title, it's tittle, which is actually the dot that we put in the lowercase I and j. This dot is the tittle. I hope this is new information for most of the students. Now this word, it's a big word. The pronunciation is written here. If you see the spelling, it is B-O-R, again B-O-R-Y-G-M-U-S. But we pronounce it in 4 syllables, that is bor, rig, mus. Bor, rig, mus. You should repeat with me. Bor, rig, mus. Now what is this? 4 syllables, lot of sound. Always remember, when the stomach is rumbling, your stomach makes noise sometimes? It does. So that noise, that rumbling of the stomach is called bor, rig, mus. Now frass is a comical word. It's called for the insect poop. The insect poop that is dropped is called frass. So I hope these words are new for you. In some way or the other, I have added on to your vocabulary. And in this long video, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. So at least write one word in the comment which may be new for all of us. So let us have some happy learning. Bye. Take care. See you next week on Thursday and this week on Saturday for the shorts.